AGM Frenchies, and we back with another video. Today is Wednesday. I'm taking Brandy on Monday to get a PG, reverse PG, to see can she have a C-section on Monday. Hopefully it'll happen. This is how we did with Piggy. Which I got to give y'all an update on the puppies and stuff. Because Piggy had the puppies on Friday. So now they're like 5 days old. So I got to give y'all an update. They looking good. I see one that could be somebody's potential future stud. Is one of them in there that will make me change up this whole camp to keep them. So I'm gonna show y'all the puppies. And Miss Piggy's doing good. Of course, it's my first litter, so I see like 4 of them that I would keep. But obviously I'm not gonna keep 4 of them. Probably keep 1 of them. Yep. So I'm gonna tap back in with y'all when I go in the house. Yeah, that boy Chili got 8 puppies, man. First litter. Him and Piggy's first litter. So if y'all want to use Chili Bowl, man, come tap in. Like I said, we can do a pup back or 1,500. Now that cause I was saying 850, but since that boy throwing out 8 puppies, see, I need come with the 1,500 or the pup back. So we gonna see. But yeah, I'm gonna tap back in with y'all when I go in the house. This one is a boy, like a Isabella. Will look good, or it might be lilac, but I think it's Isabella.
Can I get some kisses?
This one right here, this the game changer. This boy looks amazing. Like, he's really...
I'm giving you kisses.
He's really the one. I just don't know if he's big rope or not. This boy is amazing. He look good. He's a Merle, Isabella.
Why are you trying to copy yourself on your phone?
Why you always say that? I'm making a video.
I'll give one a kiss.
Hey.
I'll give one a kiss. I gave that one a kiss.
We'll go to this one right here. I love this one. I love the color on him. Isabella and tan. I think he gonna look amazing too. Both of these are, I like both of them. Those all the way over there. We got I think that one's a full Isabella. Then this girl right here, this a girl right here. Isabella and Tan Merle. I might keep her, or I might keep this one. I like this one a lot too. I think this one might be the big rope. I don't know if the other one will be big rope, but they both look good. Then this is a boy right here. I don't think he's big rope. He looks good too. The boy thick. Then this one right here is a boy. Oh, is this a girl? Isabella and Tan. Or this one might be a Merle. Actually, I gotta wait. I forgot that was what we was talking about earlier. Yeah, they all look good and they're all still healthy right now. Been keeping them clean and keeping them fed. But this boy right here, this the one. I even had to cut his little band off because he's so thick that his was tight around his neck. Like, that boy's crazy. That boy looks super good. And like I said, I think he's big rope. That boy's crazy. So yeah, that's an update on the puppies. Miss Piggy is doing good too. Keeping her wound clean. She's bouncing back pretty good. So I'm gonna put my Instagram in the description. If anybody sees any of these puppies that they wanna inquire about, just let me know, or you can comment down below. Yeah, today is I think they're 5 days old today. Today is Wednesday. Look at that boy. That boy is crazy. Man, he looks good. But yeah, I'm very tired. The whelping is pretty hard. It's not hard, but it's very tiring. I feel like a zombie. But hopefully it'll all be worth it. Yep. We'll catch y'all next video. This is just a little short video update on the puppies. Like I said, we're gonna take Brandy to see if she's ready on Monday. So might be on the lookout for that video. And we out.